Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah. Lead a cloud with a few.
How's it going on, guys? Shane's here with another video. So today we're gonna be making the most coolest paper airplane in the world, man. This plane will fly you all the way to Dubai. Man, it's gonna be freaking crazy, guys. Alright, guys, first you're gonna need a A4 piece of paper, preferably like this one over here, as shown in the video. And yeah, man, it's gonna be pretty crazy, guys. First of all, this is the first step you guys need to do, okay? Fold the paper in half, as shown, like this, and press it down all the way for stability and reassurance. Unfold the piece of paper, and now you know where the halfway line is, which is going to be really crucial when you're flying your plane. And you're going to turn it horizontally, like this, and you're going to be folding it vertically, as shown. It has to be perfect, like this, and voila. The third step, you're going to be folding it like this. There you go, and the other side as well. And this is going to be the nose of the airplane. As you guys can see, it's like an actual plane over here and here. And now we're going to be folding like this. Oh shit. My $20,000 camera nearly fell down. And we're going to be doing it like that. So this is a really easy step, if you guys are wondering. If you guys are having some troubles, please let me know in the comment section below. It's really easy if you guys are asking me. Yeah, now we finished. Hold up, just need to do some final readjustments. And put some grips in the plane like this for some aerodynamics, as shown. And yeah, then we're gonna refold it. Like this. And the final tier of this airplane. And yeah, we're gonna give it a test run. Yep, this is the final product. Hope you guys like it. Man, it's such a really cool plane. You guys gonna think, what the hell is this, man? But wait until you see it in action, man. You guys are gonna be, oh bro, it's gonna be crazy. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, Shane's there. So I've got the paper plane here, man. Bro, it's gonna be sick. Watch this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Bro, you see the distance, bro? Bro, look how far that traveled, man. Oh, let's do another one. Oh, wow. You guys see that, man? That's what I'm talking about. If you guys want a really cool airplane, well, you found the right video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace.